Hello everybody, Smiley back again. I'm back with a hobby football break. I got one box of 2018 Gold Standard from Panini. This comes with 5 autograph or mem cards per box. I actually picked this up at the National for $138. So I love Gold Standards. So I haven't opened it up this year, so let's go ahead and check out this box. There's the one pack. Oh, Mr. Ripper got a Colts guide on top. Toure, number /99 rookie base. Nice thick stock there. First autograph, number /149, Carlton Davis for the Bucks. Sticker auto. Good looking design. Number 2, Cortland Sutton, number /99, autographed jersey for the Broncos. And then we have a Gold Rush. I got a little vet hit, hard to say that, from Dalvin Cook, but jersey numbered 43/49, Gold Rush. Ooh, a little old school here. Michael Vick, got jumbo jerseys, jumbo threads, number /125. That cool. I'm keeping the vet quarterback going here. Tony Romo, gridiron gold, number /125. Nice vet hit there. And then finally, Deontay Adams, number /49. So we ended up with 2 autographs and 3 jersey cards, 2 vets, 3 vets actually. So 3 vet jerseys and the 2 rookie autos. So that's it for this 2018 Gold Standard, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.